Hot weather is tough on everyone, but it's especially rough on fire apparatus. Engines work overtime, hoses swell under pressure, and even the smallest issue can snowball into a major breakdown when temperatures soar into the triple digits. To make sure your fire trucks stay mission ready this summer, here are 8 essential maintenance tips. Not all fire trucks are created equal. Some are more likely to overheat than others. If you suspect your apparatus is one of those high-risk models, contact the dealership. Ask about any service bulletins or recalls. It may seem basic, but too many operators, especially newer ones, don't pay enough attention to their engine gauges. Train all drivers to routinely check engine temperature, oil pressure, battery voltage, boost vacuum gauge for turbocharged engines. They should know the truck's normal operating range and treat any sudden spikes as a warning. If you see fluid on the ground beneath your apparatus, that's a red flag. Leaks might include coolant, oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, transfer case fluid. Teach your company what fluids your truck uses so they know what to look and smell for. Lift the hood and check that the coolant levels are above the minimum line. If they're low, don't just top it off and move on. Low coolant could indicate a small, hard-to-detect leak. Evaporation beyond normal levels, check hoses and fittings for residue or staining. Refill as needed, but monitor closely to see if the level drops again. Rubber components are prone to cracking, fraying, rotting. That includes not just coolant belts, but also those for the alternator. Improper belt tension makes the alternator overwork, adding more heat to the engine bay and increasing pressure on hoses. The coolant-water ratio matters a lot. Follow the manufacturer's guidance for the correct mix of water to coolant. Overweight trucks force the engine and transmission to work harder, generating more heat. Know your truck's gross vehicle weight rating and keep your vehicles under this limit. If you've ruled everything else out and your engine's still overheating, check the brakes. Dragging brakes generate friction and heat, making the engine work overtime. Fire apparatus aren't just vehicles, they're lifelines. Heat-related breakdowns can put lives at risk. Follow these 8 steps, stay proactive, and keep your trucks cool and your team safe this summer.